Hi, I'm Chad Coker from Appletree Automotive. In this video we're going to show you how to replace your stock generator with an alternator kit. This is a very common conversion and we always get a lot of questions on this. So we've got two kits here. One is finished and we'll get to that next. This is the alternator that comes in one of the kits. You can get this in a 55 amp, a 75 amp, and a 90 amp. You can also get this in different finishes. This one is raw. We've got a chrome and we've got a polished. Now one of the first things that you're going to want to do is get the alternator out and get the first backing plate on. Now you may want to swap this for your chrome one if you've already got a chrome one. This is the same tin that comes off of your generator. We have kits that actually come with chrome components in it, and it looks real nice with a chrome fan shroud. Next thing we're going to do is put this spacer on. And then finally, we're going to put the tin on. Now you'll see there's a pie pan shape to it. That's going to go to the outside, and this outer tin is going to recess nicely into it. Now all that's left is to put your nuts on there, and you've got the conversion done. Now we're going to step over here to the one that's already completed, and we're going to show you how to get this front pulley on there and adjusted. Now the kits out of the box have the keyway taped in, so just make sure that that keyway right there does not fall out. Second thing you'll do is take the half and you'll slide it on. Now is the important part. If you've got a newer belt, you're going to want to use these shims. These shims will separate this pulley and allow that belt to go up and down inside that pulley and make it tighter or looser depending on the age of your belt. So we're going to take a few, stack them up in there, and they fit pretty tight, so you're going to want to squeeze them on there. Now a quick note, when you put this outer half on, take the remainder of your shims, stick them on the outside. This serves two purposes. One, it helps get the nut tighter before it bottoms out. And number two, you always know where your shims are when you want to adjust your pulley. And take your cone-shaped washer, slide it over in this mag style nut, and tighten it up. And there you have it. Now pay particular attention to the kit that you're interested in, because not all kits are the same. Some will not contain the pulley and the nut, others will. Also, as this kit shows, it has chrome components. We've got a chrome stand, chrome strap, chrome backing plate. Not all kits come with that. Most of them will come with this raw and zinc anodized straps. So look carefully at the part numbers. It always tells you exactly what comes with it. Now the next most common thing that I get asked is, how do we wire these things? And this is the greatest part about having an alternator and not a generator. You've got two posts, it's only two wires, so we're eliminating the whole mess of the regulator. And essentially you've got a D plus and a B plus. So we're going to use a spade connector, slide it into that, and your B plus is a ring style. Now here's the important part about the D plus. This wire right here needs to have something to restrict the current from coming back to the alternator. This wire is what excites the alternator and starts the polarization that charges it. The easiest thing to do is take a common indicator light, and you'll want to splice that in line just like this. Have that spliced in line. The other end of it goes to a switch 12-volt source, say a key switch or fuse box. I send them to a fuse box. And what will happen with this indicator light, as soon as the car starts up and your alternator makes a charge and grounds, this light is going to start off being on, and it's going to turn off when it's charging properly. If that light is ever on when the engine's running, it means there's something wrong. This 10 gauge B+ wire is going to go down to the battery side of your starter. It's always the easiest place to put it. Now once you get it all assembled, the stand is always attached to the motor. So you'll take your strap, and I always slide it on first, and then slide your alternator through it on the stand. And with that on the stand, you can go ahead and clamp your alternator clamp down onto it, and you're ready to go. Now this alternator will slide into your fan shroud and attach with these 4 screws. So between these 4 screws and the strap, this is all that holds this thing in place.